Yes students, now we will discuss one practical question regarding NPO. We have illustration number 31 and we just cover all the points which we have discussed earlier. How it is given? You have given a receipt and payment account started with opening balance of cash 8500. So you just make three formats. All of us write opening balance of cash in last year balance sheet 8500 and closing balance of cash in closing balance sheet 8300. These two balances are taken from receipt and payment account. Then directly come to adjustments. After the opening closing balance from receipt and payment account, all of us you have to treat the adjustments. Okay. So first adjustment is outstanding subscription of last year 500. So outstanding subscription of last year in opening balance sheet and current year is 1000. So it is in closing balance sheet 1000. Keep it in mind that all of us we have to do double treatment of every adjustment after then move forward. So what is the double treatment of both of these? Last year subscription. Now make income and expenditure account. In income side just left the space of subscription. Then write last year outstanding 500 will be less and current year outstanding 1000 will be add in subscription. Next, subscription received in advance. Last year advance 1000, current year advance 500. So last year advance subscription in last year liability, current year advance subscription in current year liability. Last year advance subscription should be added because last year advance means related to current year and current year advance should be less. Next, stock of medicine. Opening stock of medicine in opening balance sheet 10,000. Closing stock of medicine in closing balance sheet. Now in expenses side we will calculate the consumable goods. So opening stock 10,000 should be added and closing stock 15,000 should be less from payment. Next, amount due to medicine supplier. Amount due means creditors. As I told you in previous point, amount due means creditors. So last year creditor, last year amount due, last year liability. Current year amount due is in current year liability. Last year amount due will be less and current year amount due will be add. Keep it in mind, only advance of last year should be add. Next, value of equipments. Opening value of equipments 25 and closing value of equipment given in question 33,000. When opening and closing both values are given, then there must be an information of hidden depreciation. Now you have to calculate the depreciation, but after watching purchase and sale. Then we have buildings opening and closing balance. Opening balance of building in opening balance sheet 70 and closing balance of building in closing balance sheet 65. Now what will be the difference? 70 minus 65. If there is no purchase and sale, then 5,000 is shown as depreciation. So depreciation will be shown in expenses side. Depreciation on building 70 minus 65, 5,000. Now we will come to receipt and payment account and make necessary entries. In receipt and payment account, in debit side, receipt side, first item is subscription of 48,000. We just write it here. The rest of all these we have already done. So add and less. 48 plus 1000 plus 1000. 50. 50 minus 1000, 49,000 will be here. Next item is donation. So donation is again an income. Next item is interest on investment. You must keep it in mind whenever there is a rate is given, that means there is some hidden information regarding value of investment or interest on investment. Now interest is given, so it is an income, but investment is not given in question. So we have to calculate. How it is be calculated? If interest is 9%, then investment value is 100. And if interest is 9,000, then value of investment is 100 by 9 into 9,000, that means 1 lakh. It means to say it is hidden adjustment, so it should have double treatment. This investment of 1 lakh will be written as in opening balance sheet, asset side, as well as in closing balance sheet as an asset. If there is no purchase and sale, only then they will be of same value. Next, after that we have proceed from charity show. It is again an income, so credit side. Then grant in aid, it is also an income, then credit side, because they are not of capital nature. Now we will come to the payment side. In payment side we have first payment for medicine. So medicine payment will be here 33,000. As we have already added opening stock, less closing stock, less amount due last year, less amount due current year add. So remaining is the balance here, because we have already done all the adjustments. Next is fees to doctor. It is a revenue expenses. So again here. Next is salary. No adjustment. So just post. Equipment purchased. So equipment purchase. Now how we will calculate depreciation? Opening balance of equipment is 25,000. Opening balance of equipment is 25. Plus we purchased 15,000. So 25 plus 15. We should have 40,000 value. But at the end we have given value just 33,000. So 7,000 is the difference. This difference is called depreciation. This difference is called depreciation. Keep it in mind, when opening and closing balance of asset is given, that means depreciation is hidden in question. How you will calculate? Opening value plus purchase minus closing value or sale. Then depreciation 7,000 will be on expenses side. Next is charity show expenses. Again we will write here. Next is sundry expenses. So just in expenses side. And the last is closing balance. We have already written it. Closing cash. Now you just have to make a total. In credit side we have total of 1,05,000. In debit side there is a less of 4,800. So it is excess of income over expenditure. That is also called surplus. So surplus of 4,800. What is the balance of opening balance sheet? Balance of opening balance sheet is opening capital, or you can say capital fund. This capital will become closing balance sheet, will comes in closing balance sheet plus add surplus. Now if total of both sides of closing balance sheet are equal, that means it is okay. Thank you.